Welcome to Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make tzatziki sauce, one of my favorite Greek sauces. And the best part of this is it's so healthy for you. You're going to need 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt. I just buy a 16-ounce tub. That way I don't need to worry about measuring out my yogurt. 1 large English cucumber, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, fresh lemon juice from 1/2 of a lemon. If you don't want to use lemon, use a teaspoon of white vinegar. It'll do the same. 1 large garlic clove. I'm going to show you how to mince this later. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped dill. If you don't want to use fresh dill, use 1 teaspoon of dried dill. Let me show you how fast this is to put together. First, we're going to peel our English cucumber. This isn't necessary, but I just enjoy removing some of the skin. I usually don't remove it all. Look how fantastic that is. And we're just going to chop off the ends. With the grater, we're going to grate our cucumber. If you're using regular cucumbers, you're going to want to split your cucumber in half and remove the seeds inside. As you see there's not a whole lot of seeds in these English cucumbers. Now that we've got it all grated, add that 1.5 teaspoons of salt. With the fork, we're going to toss it around because we want to get a lot of that liquid out of that cucumber. We do not want our tzatziki sauce runny. We want it nice, thick, and rich in texture. Look how beautiful those colors are. Set this off to the side for at least 10 minutes. I've added my 2 cups of Greek yogurt into a large bowl. I'm going to add the black pepper, the lemon juice. Now remember, if you don't want to use lemon, use a teaspoon of white vinegar. Just put your fork in there, squeeze it out. I like using my handy dandy lemon juicer. It does lemons, it does the limes. So let's turn it here to the lemons, put it face down. And all this fresh lemon juice comes squeezing out, just what we need. Give this a lovely little stirring. Get these 3 ingredients well incorporated. That looks perfect. And now I'm going to show you how to crush that garlic. With the back of a chef's knife, you're going to give it a little whacking here on the bottom. And you see that skin of your garlic will just peel right off and you can discard this. Next, we're going to begin mincing our garlic. We're going to go this way until we get this fine mince. You're going to run your chef's knife back and forth on your garlic clove here for about 10-15 times until it's minced and looking like this. You're going to add it right here into your yogurt. Give this a lovely little stirring. And these flavors are going to start to develop and you're going to have the best tzatziki you've ever had. And you've made it homemade. Back with those grated cucumbers. You see how we've got all this water here in the bottom of the bowl? That's what we're going to get rid of because you don't want your tzatziki sauce runny. You want it lovely and thick in texture. With the tea towel, we're going to lie it here on the surface, pour your cucumbers out, and if you have a cheesecloth, you can use a cheesecloth, or if you have really sturdy paper towels, you can use that too. And back with your bowl, and we're going to squeeze all that right back into the bowl to where we have no liquid here in our cucumbers. If you want, you can drink your cucumber juice. I'll leave that up to you. Look how beautiful those cucumbers are. Whisk this around with our yogurt mixture. Time to chop up our fresh dill. Oh, and this smells so yummy. With a chef's knife, we're just going to get it chopped up until we get about a tablespoon. Add that chopped dill right here into your yogurt sauce with cucumbers and give it a lovely stirring until you have all these ingredients well blended. Give it a little taste to see if it needs any salt or pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. And now we're going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator up to 3 to 4 hours or overnight so it can develop all these wonderful flavors. This is the way I love to serve my tzatziki sauce. I use a little red bell pepper, or you can use any kind of vegetable you want, and I've got to give this a fabulous try. Oh my, a burst of that fresh dill. I'm not double dipping, I'm using the other side. Wow, and those fresh cucumbers. The lemon juice and the tanginess of that Greek yogurt puts this to another level of flavor, y'all. Serve it with pita bread, serve it with any vegetable, serve it with any chip, or just eat it as tzatziki. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, and hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.